Well, welcome to Back to School Night virtually. Oh, and well, there I am. Here I am. I am Gowallis-Johnson. I would be your student's honors chemistry teacher. I'm a postgrad of Virginia Tech and UVA. Started my career in medicine. Moved to pharmaceutical research. Did a little service. Landed at teaching. I guess I've been teaching for 20 plus years. I'm in a new classroom this year, K101, and overall, I hope to make this year fun for your student. Yeah, adventurous, fun, and maybe a little challenging, but more fun than anything else. And curriculum overview. So it is a rigorous course. Honors chemistry is rigorous. It's inquiry based, just meaning that students are guided more by questioning than by here's the answer. And it's an excellent foundation for any student who sees themselves pursuing a career in STEAM, which is just STEM with art added, because we all need art. It will over prepare any student who might still need to take an SOL. They're usually probably all done with SOLs by the time I see them. Overall, the topics we cover, there's about 9 units of the year, and we cover everything, obviously, from the atom to thermodynamics, periodic table. It's a good time. It's a good time. I'm excited. Procedures and routines. So how would I describe the routine of a typical class? Basically, students will come in, and I will model either how to solve something, how to write some sort of equation, how to balance, or maybe I'll perform a lab technique, a titration or filter, or I'll show a decomposition reaction or something. And I'll do that at the start of each class. 20, 30 minutes. Then students will use class time to practice exactly what I've modeled. And at first, I let them practice usually with other students, build their confidence up, have other students help each other. And then later, by the end of class, they should be doing it themselves, whatever it is they want to be doing it themselves. I will be looking for, mingling around, trying to find any misunderstandings, answering questions. Usually, if something is a little more detailed than others, I might collect it if I want to be able to provide more detailed feedback. Chemistry is pretty nitpicky, and superscripts, capital letters, lowercase letters, all of that can get and so when it gets real nitpicky, I will want to be able to provide something more than um, just more detailed than I can give in class. Now, students, they'll be participating in class, but then at the end of every day or at the beginning of every day, they'll want to be checking Schoology because I do post and assign videos or readings for homework. I do keep this to about 10 to 15 minutes a class. So if they want to split it up, that's about 7.5 minutes a day. I'm not big on homework. I think you learn a lot more by doing. But the background information is still a good thing, and don't want to waste class time for that background information. So not much, but you should expect them to have 10 to 15 minutes every other day for homework in chemistry. Grading and assessing them. So we do a lot of labs. 40% of the quarter grade is labs. 20% is the classwork I kind of described in the homework and 40% are test and quizzes. So 40, 20, 40. And obviously major assessments are able to be are qualified for retakes if the student scores below an 80. They have to score below an 80 before they can take a retest, and then the retest grade, the no matter what they get, is the limit is an 80. So also we have our retest at the end of the quarter. So all of our retests occur the last week or two of the quarter. And data in the past has shown students improve a lot more if they wait longer before the retest than trying to retest right away. And that's probably the nature of chemistry because it builds on itself. So the skills that students learned first day of school when we were rounding numbers, they will use every day. So if they're not quite good at rounding, it's okay because we will round every day for the rest of the year and they'll get better. That's just one example, but basically we just build on prior knowledge in chemistry until they're all masters. Attendance, if a student misses class, they really need to visit Schoology before returning to know what they missed. They're responsible for any material posted on Schoology, and often there are videos to watch for students who miss class. I arrange Schoology according to day folders, so if they know the date they miss, they open that folder and it's like a diary. It'll say, today in class, students were given these notes, and then they were given time to work on these problems, and here are the problems, and here is the key, and here is a video to watch, somebody else explaining the problem. And so they'll see that and they'll have an idea of what they missed if they're able. Obviously, they should do what's on Schoology. They don't have to do it before they come back, but they're certainly welcome to. But they will be doing whatever work is there. I guess if they miss one absence, they have 2 days to make it up. If they have 2 absences, they have 4 days to make it up. So, but that's all their classes. So they're welcome to. All work is posted on Schoology. And if you know a student's going to be out for many, many days, just communicate with me. Just let me know. I do have virtual office hours. We can meet virtually and I can answer questions or explain those day folders in Schoology a little better if they're really confused or not sure what to do. So I'm flexible and try to be responsive, but the only way to respond is to be communicated with. Does that work? No. Finally, how to contact me, because please contact me, is email. Email is the best way. Now, this is the phone number to this phone right back here. Of course, it will ring during class. I'll answer it, but I'll be like a peach and I can't talk. So email really is the best way to communicate with me. Now, school ends at 2:55, so by 3:10, it's quiet enough. If you really need to reach me, I work late most nights, 5 or so. So yeah, you can try the phone in my room, but ultimately email is pretty much the best way. So there we have it. It's going to be a great year. I can feel it. It's going to be a good one. Really nice meeting you, and